Hi, my name is Mitchell and this is a quick demo of the Forcorp mobile plots application. I am currently looking at a listing of all plots for a particular project. I can scroll down this list, or I can use the search icon in the top right to find a particular plot. I'm going to go ahead and click on the very first one. I'm now looking at the plot detail screen for this plot. Near the top, we list all outstanding validation concerns. This particular plot has 3. It says that one tree has a validation error, it says that the plot has not been marked as complete, and it states that 59 trees have validation warnings. Below that are the editable attributes for this plot. I can click on crew members to edit that field. I can continue scrolling to see more fields such as regeneration plot, species density, and down at the very bottom is a general comment field for this plot. Scrolling back to the top, if I want to view all trees for this particular plot, I can click the icon in the top right with the label 79 trees. I am now in the tree list, where I can once again scroll to view all the trees, or I can use the search icon in the top right to find a particular one. Next to each tree we have a validation icon, which is either an error icon, a warning icon, or a green check mark stating that there are no concerns. If there's a tree I'm interested in, I can expand the validation results to see what might be wrong with that particular tree. If I click on number 1, I can now go to the tree details screen. This is where you will perform all your data entry for a particular tree. I can see right away that there are 2 fields with validation icons next to them. Location at the top has a warning, and height near the middle has an error. I can click on height and see the text message, the text description of this validation error, saying height must be provided. If I enter the number 2, it changes to a warning saying height should not be less than previous measurement of 11.65. I'm going to enter 11.65, and we will see that all validation warnings and errors for this field have disappeared. On this screen, we have all attributes for a tree. At the very bottom, I have another general text field, which is present on all trees. To navigate between trees, I can swipe left on my screen or swipe right, or I can use the search icon in the top right to go to a particular tree. Clicking back takes me back to the tree listing. We will see that tree number 1 no longer has an error icon next to it because we have entered a height. Clicking back again takes me back to the plot detail screen, where once again the validation concerns listed at the top are now missing the one that stated that a tree had an error. If at any point in time I'm curious about which trees exactly have outstanding issues, I can click on the validation concern at the top of this screen, such as the one that says 60 trees have validation warnings, and get a filtered list of all trees with validation warnings. I can click back to go back to the plot details screen. At the top right there is an icon labeled photos. Clicking that will take you to the photos for that particular plot, of which I have a couple test photos. All photos can be taken directly on the device without using an external camera. And that concludes the quick demo of the Forcorp mobile plots application. Thank you.